Cyrus Lloyd, and this is my GHP 2018 video portfolio for the Engineering Division. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 out of the many projects I've done over the past year that cover a range of my interests. I'll start with the more basic projects and work my way up to more complex and precision engineered projects. To start off, we have my Lawnmower go-kart.
This here is a go-kart I made out of an electric four-wheeler and a lawnmower early last year. It was made entirely out of found materials, and I put it together over the course of a few weeks. These clips here show the evolution of the design, and you can see it transform from a very basic prototype into a more finished and functional piece. Though not the most practical project, this endeavor taught me a lot about welding and the function of engines, skills that I am now very grateful to have. The next project I want to show you is actually still a work in progress. Earlier this year I began the project of trying to put a gas engine on a bike to ride to school on. It was a great challenge at the time since I didn't have some of the tools I have today, but I got it to work just long enough to catch some video of it, which you see here. Due to chain length and other limiting factors, however, I had to redesign it and it is now in the repair phase. This is a t-shirt cannon Gatling gun robot that the robotics team at our school made for our school's football team. I was the lead engineer for this project, and it has been in continual development for many months. We've used it at almost all the games this season, and it was a great success. This was by far one of the most difficult projects to pull off this year time-wise.
This here is my homemade milling machine. Unlike the last 2 projects, which were just for fun, this was a necessary tool that I chose to make out of my old drill press. When building it, I kept running into problems with rigidity, so I completely redesigned the Z-axis so the head moves up and down independently now. Now it is more rigid, there's more Z travel, and it simply functions better. I have a much more detailed explanation on my YouTube channel if you'd like to see more. I now use this tool almost every day, and it has become an indispensable addition to my shop. This is a great example of how sometimes finding a creative solution is better than buying your way out of a problem.
Last but not least, we have the Vinci rocket engine. I had the privilege of working with Atlas Rocketry Corporation a few months ago to make this engine. It is intended to propel the Athena launch vehicle past the Kármán line by 2019. Unfortunately, I don't have any video of me actually building the engine, but here are a couple pictures that show different stages in its development. I made most of it at home on my engine lathe. This is definitely one of the most complex and difficult projects I have ever done, but it is also by far my favorite. It was super rewarding to create a functional rocket engine out of raw chunks of metal.
That concludes my video portfolio. I hope you enjoyed seeing these projects. This is only a small glimpse into what I do here at the shop. For more information, check out some of the videos on my YouTube channel, Cyrus Garage.